Hello everyone, this is Chris Cruzance. It's Monday, December 26, 2022, and I'm walking on DeWitt Place. This is Chicago after the snowstorm. We have a snowstorm last Thursday. I did a video, I posted already. This is the after the snowstorm, but it's still 20 below zero, the air temperature in Celsius. So I'm approaching Chestnut and DeWitt Place, or as you can see the signs there. And this is Streeterville in downtown Chicago. This is the area where I live and work. This is Chestnut Street. I want to show you the John Hopkins Center, one of the tallest buildings in Chicago, almost 100 stories tall. There you go. And then we're gonna walk this way. We're gonna keep going west. Correction, we're going north on DeWitt Place. So this is gonna be a very short video. I'm on my way to buy some groceries from the convenience store here. So it's gonna be a short video. As you can see, the snow is almost gone. But it's brutally cold, ladies and gentlemen. That's why I cannot stay out too long. I'm wearing layers, but not enough layers to support me for a long video. So it's going to be a short video, not a short video, but a short video, which is less than 5 minutes. So we're approaching now Delaware and DeWitt Place. And you can see not too many people on the street. It's about 3 in the afternoon on Monday, December 26, 2022, the day after Christmas. So this is Delaware Place. I'll show you the buildings on Delaware Place. We're gonna end the video shortly. It's gonna be less than 5 minutes. So I'm gonna go a little bit east on Delaware Place and then turn around and finish the video right here, because I arrived at the convenience store. The convenience store is inside one of these high rises here, and that's the lakefront over there. Alright, so thank you everybody for watching. This is Chris Cruzance, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe underneath this video, or if you're watching this video on any other social media platform, just go to youtube.com/Chris Cruzance Presents and subscribe there. Thank you everyone.